Well, let's take a look at the Schilden 8-in-1 multi-tool. So it does have lockouts for safety, and we have a ring on the end so you can attach it. All right, so we have a saw blade. We have a blade, a Tonto type blade. We have a file and a Phillips. And we have a scissors. Works pretty good. So that's what we have on this tool. All for just 12 bucks. It's really a good deal. I got this off Amazon. And yeah, this little piece on the end here, this loop, so you can attach it to something, or you can set it that way, set it over this way, but really a good deal for 12 bucks. And it's not heavy. So that's about how big it is. And I got this off Amazon for 12 bucks. So you might want to check one out. Thanks for watching.